Okay. So the last 3 or 4 videos was about the concepts, the meaning of our existence, and what is destructive for our souls, for our existence. All I need is somebody, at least one person. The more people asking, the more motivated I will be. But for instance, the power seekers, having power over, by having lots of money, power over people, owning lots of things, to be free, to do harm without being caught by the law. They are not free. They are the most miserable people, perceivers. We should not hate them, because that's what they want. They are scared of us seeing their true essence. And it's so paradoxical. Because any perceiver is the innocence. I forgot to add that. Innocence. We're also innocence. Except eternity and all of that. These world leaders, I don't know. I just know a few words, like names, like Rockefeller and Rothschild and Trump and whatever. In life, what appears to be good or meaningful, most of the time is the straight opposite. Most of the time. And we tend to relate. Many people that feel that they have found the truth, they relate freedom to nature. But nature is also about life. This distorted reflection of our essence. Many times, life, nature definitely does reflect beautifully our eternity. But it's not a perfect reflection. There is no such a thing as a perfect reflection of eternity. It's not possible. So, I'm risking, I want to use both of my hands, like, where's my thumb to show both my hands? Here. I'm risking, can you see now? I'm trying to be funny also, I guess. Where's the other finger? There. I'm risking, I need to use my legs. I'm risking my life. No, not my life. I'm not scared of death. I'm risking my well-being by being open. And I've been risking my well-being by being open all my life. And hell yeah, I have been paying for it. Hell yeah, I have been paying for loving them, for caring, for trying to fight for what is good and constructive. But hell, I want to use the word hell again. It's hard to find someone else who has the same balls as I have. But I understand that to get these huge balls that I have, you need to suffer oh so much. You need to be target of these narcissists. You need to be abused covertly, so nobody sees what you're going through. So nobody will believe in you, and you're gonna be treated like a crazy paranoid, you name it. You need to live emotionally in total isolation to grow these balls. What I'm actually doing, I feel like I'm this Trump's, if Trump is, I don't know if he's the cruelest. I'm sure there is someone controlling him too. And the one controlling Hitler, and I feel I'm their mother. I'm taking the role of their mother because I'm not giving up on them. And hell, I'm suffering because of it. I don't give up on my children. On none of us. Then you need to understand that I'm not seeing myself as any sort of God by considering myself as a mother. What I mean is that I know that we are all one. I really know that. And since I seem to be the only one among the people I know, talking about it, taking the risk of being targeted and abused until I just can't take it anymore and I just want to take my life, then I just it appears as if, like, yeah, I'm your mother. I'm taking the role as your mother. The mother that you never had when you mostly needed it in your early childhood. I'm sorry I couldn't be there for you. I'm truly sorry. I'm so freaking sorry. All of the suffering that I have lived, the 50 years of my life, is an expression of my sadness that I couldn't be there for you when you most needed love. I wasn't there because I couldn't. The suffering in life is based on misunderstandings. Life is full of misunderstandings because life reflects us, not perfectly. The reflections, our reflections leads us to think that the good are bad and the bad are good, for instance. Okay. Thank you. Please, anybody, please. Love you, for real.